And we're back. And in this video, we make a start on one of our biggest highlights so far, the iconic Gibb River Road. In typical us fashion, we get out there late, spending our first night at a riverside free camp, before overcoming fears and exploring a dark croc-infested cave on day 2. On day 3, we head for Bell Gorge, rock hopping and swimming between the many pools, ticking off the first of many beautiful waterfalls to come on the Gibb.
We are in keeping with our legacy. We're driving after dark again last night. It was just where were we going to stay?
Birdwood Down
was thinking
Station
about staying,
was the
yeah.
option.
Yeah, but it was so early into the drive.
Like maybe 10 or 15 minutes from the sign.
Continued on and got to Leonard River, and it was packed when we turned in. And of course we have the rooftop tent and can sneak into just about anywhere, but we would just would have been camping on top of people. So we lucked out. We turned back out on the road and then drove 50 metres further towards the bridge, and then found this spot. We just reversed down a little trail as far as you could and had like all this space to ourselves. And even though we're next to a bridge, I didn't get woken by any road noise whatsoever.
No, not at all.
No,
I don't really think this area of the Gibb you're going to have people travelling late at night, so
yeah,
I was pretty lucky. We did spot a little freshie last night.
Possibly fresh. It could have been
Could have
salty.
been as well. We saw some beady eyes looking at us last night,
and may have seen something like a water trail up the rocks or whatever you want to call it, croc slide up the rocks. But yeah, we're going to go do Tunnel Creek, and then
possibly Bell Gorge as well. We'll just see how we go.
Yeah, but otherwise really happy with the way this has started. Oh, and I went for a fish this morning and didn't catch anything, but the water level was pretty low. I think I went further up near some cascading water running down and did get a short hook up, but but yeah,
we're going to eat fish one day.
Yeah, we'll get that one day. So anyway, let's go check it out.
Let's do it. Look at that cheese.
How disappointing was that?
Disappointing was what?
No freshies.
Oh.
We didn't see any freshies.
Oh, shame.
But was great.
Yeah, actually so much fun.
If there's anyone that hasn't been doing Tunnel Creek, because Windjana Gorge is closed, which we forgot to mention before actually. We're not doing Windjana because it's closed from the flooding that happened earlier this year. You're missing out. At least at the moment the water level is still good. We still had to swim in one spot. Yeah, definitely worth the drive just for Tunnel Creek. So
super fresh, the water, but actually quite nice,
yeah,
to be honest.
rock art to see.
Quite a lot of rock art too.
Yeah.
It's actually the first rock art I've even seen. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah. We're going to have some coffee to fuel up and some steak sandwiches, and then just get to March Fly Glen when we can. So
don't judge this avo.
Yeah.
This is the one I tried to put in the freezer.
Oh yeah. All right.
Bye. Let's go.
How happy are we about these tour buses?
Yeah, so stoked.
Let's get it.
We're gonna walk quick enough to beat them.
Yep. You what?
Interesting part.
Yeah. Who put that there?
Pretty nice.
Alrighty, Bell Gorge.
Done.
What did it take us? How long have we spent? Like 3 or 4 hours?
About 3
here?
and a half hours, yeah.
Yeah. Longer than what they say you need to do it for sure, but we're just having a great time.
You could spend all day here, I reckon.
Yeah. swum in most of the pools and scrambled around the rocks.
So you got upper pools, which we're just at right now. It's worth having a look at, but then you go down to the lower pools to get to the actual waterfall. There must be about 3 or 4 sort of individual kind of pools. Some people say bring a floaty and you can drift through them, but I think you kind of need to get into each pool. But right at the very end, as far as you can go, there's another waterfall that's about 5 metre drop down, and it opens to another massive pool. You can't really go.
No, you can't. That's as far
Yeah.
as you can go. You can't swim in there or anything like that. So basically, just keep going as far as you can go.
Yeah.
When you get down to the main area, and you'll find it.
Bit
It's
of rock
pretty-
scrambling involved, but definitely worth it. It was really cool.
Yeah. No,
Not many people seem to have went down there.
no, not while we were here. But I've loved it so
Yeah, it's
far.
been so good.
Like, yeah.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
Yeah. Yeah.
Smash. Bell Gorge.
So yeah, we'll head back to either March Fly or somewhere else. We don't know yet. We'll figure it out. Yeah,
see.
we'll update you when we know.
Maybe we'll get there before dark. Who knows?
Yeah.
What do we got?
We caved.
2.5 months.
Yeah, we deserve this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, there's a lot of hiking today, so
Exactly.
I broke my fingers.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah, it was just picked up some wood that was hot. Hey, a little bit of knowledge for you. Shay doesn't like touching marshmallows, so
It is
I have
the
to put
biggest
every
ick of
single
my entire life.
marshmallow on a stick, and we nearly went the potty mouth. But anyway.
I also only like white marshmallows, so shout out to any white marshmallow gang out there. But thankful to have a boyfriend that
Loves marshmallows, loves touching them.
will do this for me. My angel. Cheers.
I'm a hero.
Oh yeah.
In the next part of this series, life gets even better as we find one of our favourite waterfalls on the Gibb, make it to Mount Barnett Roadhouse and enjoy more great camps. Cheers for watching.